Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can prevent Monster Hunter Wilds from freezing and from crashing inside of Windows, okay? Now, the first thing you need to make sure is that your drivers are installed, okay? The latest drivers are installed, okay? So make sure you go to your NVIDIA panel and you want to go to drivers and you want to check that this says up to date, all right? On February 27, new drivers came out and they specialize in part in this game, okay? And they give support for different features of this game, okay? So just make sure that you actually install the latest drivers, okay? Something that you may also want to try is to actually, you might go to the game inside of Steam and you want to click on properties and then you want to go to basically install files and you want to verify the integrity of the game files in here, okay? And that's also going to help if there is something missing or there is something wrong with the game. And a third step that you can take, and that it has to actually work for a lot of people, is to run this game in compatibility mode, okay? So let's go to manage, let's go to browse local files, and now you want to click into the main game, into the main file game, and you want to go to right click, and you want to show more options and you want to go to properties and then click on the compatibility tab. And actually we want to run this program on compatibility mode for Windows 8. Okay, just click on apply and click on OK. And actually this has been very useful for a lot of people, so maybe try it out. All right, that's it. Thank you so much.